Meet the BIOS LED Backpack, a futuristic-looking backpack that sets you apart from everyday boring backpacks and adds uniqueness to your everyday lifestyle. This backpack offers sufficient storage for your belongings and features multiple pockets, including a laptop compartment where you can keep up to 14-inch laptop and a tablet pouch to keep other tablets up to 12 inches easily. The unique thing that sets this backpack apart from other backpacks is its 10-inch RGB LED screen on the front. You can show off any of your images, doodles, texts, or GIFs up to 5 seconds on the display while walking. The main back can be expanded by 60 degrees or 80 degrees, while its multifunctional storage makes it super easy to store all of your items. This backpack has a built-in Wi-Fi that you can use to connect it to the LED Space app that you can download from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can set or customize what to show on the display through the app. You can add up to 15 images or GIF files. You can also convert any videos into GIFs and play on your backpack. It comes with adjustable S-type shoulder strap with honeycomb heat dissipation design that does an excellent job in reducing heat and allows you to carry it with comfort for a longer period of time. You can use any kind of battery packs for this backpack or get a BIOS's own 10,000 mAh battery pack which can provide you all day long power to your LED display and also your other gadgets. Add some unique taste to your everyday lifestyle and reflect creativity wherever you go with BIOS LED Backpack Pro version, and you can get one for yourself from online.